Check this phantom wallet out. $3.8 million stacked from launching meme coins on my own. No hype, no guessing, just a strategy that works over and over. Stay locked in, I'll show you exactly how I put it off, no cap. Now, every single time I bought into meme coins, I thought I'd catch the next 100x coin. Instead, I got rugged, dumped on, and completely drained out of all my fucking Solana. Then it hit me. The money isn't in trading. It's in actually launching the coins. Because when you launch a coin, you set your own rules, you own the chart, the supply, and the whole story. By launching, you risk nothing. Because you made the coin, you are the dev. But if you keep buying coins, you are guaranteed to lose, trust me. Right now, Bitcoin's at all-time highs and Solana is fucking pumping. There's never been a better time to start launching than right now, so make sure to keep watching until the end. And by the way, this video is made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Everyone runs to Pump.Fun because it might look easy to launch coins, but trust me, it's overcrowded and broken. Thousands of new tokens drop daily, drowning each other out. And you don't even control your own liquidity, so if you are up a couple $100 or a couple $1,000 on your coin launch, you cannot even remove that money. But with create tokens.io, your project launches to Raydium immediately, graduates without delay, and you are in full control from the start. No waiting, no getting buried, just visibility and speed. You have to use create tokens.io if you want momentum and volume. Now launching on create tokens.io is easy, and you've got two solid methods. Method 1, create from scratch. So go on Twitter and choose a viral meme or moment. It could be literally anything that has views, okay? Doesn't have to be anything crazy, but if it is crazy, that could print you thousands of dollars potentially. Anyways, come back to the site after you've picked an idea, and give your token a name and symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 image for the meme coin logo, and hit next, and after a couple more steps, your token is live. But method 2 is my personal favorite because it's the most profitable. Use the copy trending coins. These tokens are already moving volume on Pump.Fun. One click and your copy is live on Raydium. And since the hype is already built in, you'll see instant buyers and higher profit potential from the start. Both methods work, but trust me bro, copying coins is a fucking money printer. Obviously for educational purposes only. Now let's cut the theory. It's time to press launch and make this coin real. So I just connected my wallet to the site. I'm gonna click refresh and we're gonna look for a coin to copy, which is gonna be the dairy coin. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago and a $25,000 market cap. So crit coin, ignore and proceed the warning. Boom, 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 boom. It's not a scam, it's legit, okay, you'll see. And then wait a couple seconds, boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the magic happens. Liquidity gets added so your token becomes active on Raydium. Okay, so there's two simple steps. Token A, just do 90%, click right here. That's gonna drop 900 million coins into the pool, right? Token B is just your entry into your own coin. It's not a loss, it's locked liquidity. Drop in at least 0.3 SOL and you'll reclaim it later when you pull out the liquidity pool. Okay, I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL to make sure I have a bit over the minimum, just to be safe and for it to work. And once again, you are not losing that money. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, then quit pool, and then click on confirm. After that, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the dairy coin is now live. Our P&O is right here. Pool, yeah. Now once again, click on refresh. And boom, our P&L is at $190, which means we were up a hefty amount. People are aping in. Click on the view on photon button to see the actual chart and the coin. Now let me go on full screen real quick. Ooh, people are aping in, baby. Oh my god, it's so volatile. I'm so happy. Anyways, people are buying in. Life is good. Our market cap is at $1.6 thousand, 1.1k in liquidity. Things are looking fucking good. Now all you have to do from now on is just wait, I guess. Just wait. Control your emotions. Do not cash out profits now, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it later, but just be patient, okay? It is on the Raydium DEX now, which means more and more people every single second are gonna look into the coin. So just be patient and watch all the buyers come in, as you guys can see. Anyways, be right back. Okay guys, I am back. The chart looks pretty consolidation type, fucking, I don't know how I say it. It's like consolidating, right? The market cap is around $2.5 thousand, volume 3.3k, 73 transactions. I cannot fucking talk. And yeah, bro, the cash out profits, come back to create tokens.io, then click on refresh, and boom, we're up $1.6 thousand in profits. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Oh, whoops, remove liquidity. And now, as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive this amount. Click on confirm, and boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and print a lot of fucking money. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, 1.6 grand right straight inside my wallet.